Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to Online Buyer Marketing Secret Review. Are you ready to maximum your online brand visibility with less effort today? It is about time for you to learn online viral marketing secret. The secret of viral marketing is all about getting into a niche network of people. Here where my advice for you come in. Online viral marketing secret. Here is what you are getting this unfold advantage guide. Don't join the army of viral who need this step-by-step guide. You have no clue what viral marketing is really all about. You want to do well with viral marketing. You know publishing great content is not enough to make it go viral. You want to have a recurring source of income. You want to learn how to do viral content marketing. Does this sound like exactly what you need? You may be your questions. How much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of course. That's not all. In addition, we have a number of bonus of those who want to take action today and start profiting from this opportunity. Bonus 1, online viral marketing secret sheet chat sheet. Bonus 2, viral marketing secret online viral marketing secret mind map. Bonus 3, online viral marketing secret secure guide. All get this benefit as an unparalleled price. Act now. The two very good reason. We are offering sell funnels and customers only discounts, so you take action now. You only chance to get access to right now on this page. They have face closed, so this exact offer. So friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video's description.